Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another wig install from Nadula Hair Amazon. The wig that I'm showing you guys today is their 7x5 HD lace closure by knots wig. As you can see, it's a nice bob wig. It does come with the drawstring as well, and it also comes with this beautiful black to chestnut brown color. Now this particular wig does have like these cute little like blowout bangs that you can see. They pretty much styled it for you, so if you're noticing, one side kind of has like that nice like bang type of look. It looks really pretty. This wig looks really like classy, and it was super easy to install. So as always, I'm going to give you guys a quick unboxing. Now remember, this lace is a 7x5 lace closure, so you don't have to keep it at a side part if you do not want to. You can switch it over if you would like, but I feel like because of the way that they styled it and because this is only 10 inches, a side part really does look best, especially if you're trying to show off that nice blowout bang type of look. Okay, so as always, I went ahead, I added some foundation on that lace, and then I went ahead and threw the wig on. I'm going to show you guys how to use the drawstring, and of course I'm going to go in with just a little bit of lace melting spray. So while the lace is doing its thing, I went in with my wax stick, and now I'm going in with my hot comb, and I'm just going to make sure that the top of the wig lays flat. If you decide that you want to switch your part around, you will basically do this method as well. In order to keep your part in place, you will use the wax stick and the hot comb, just to throw it out there in case someone decides, you know, they don't want to do the little C curve part. That's how you will be able to, you know, make sure your new parting style stays and it looks fresh. Okay, but I like to do this whenever I'm taking the wig, you know, straight out the box. I didn't wash it, I didn't do anything like that. Sometimes they could just look a little wiggish, so I like to make sure that the top is laying as flat as possible and it just looks natural. So now I'm going in with my flat iron. I'm just going to freshen up the hair. Now the texture of this hair is a little silky. It's not terribly silky, but it is silky. So I feel like on camera, it low-key looks as if it's almost a yucky texture, but it's not. So I just want to let you guys know. However, the hair was super soft. Did not have a smell. Took to the heat extremely well. This particular wig, it is 100% human hair. It's 10 inches as I mentioned earlier, and I want to say she is 150% density, so yes, she is pretty thin. However, I feel like it's fitting for this style. It looks fine to me. I know everyone has their preferences, but I think it looks great. But yeah, it was a really quick wig install, and you guys will see how beautifully she curled, especially that bang area. Okay, you guys, so that is it for today's wig install. How cute does she look? Don't it look like I can like put on a nice suit and go work in a corporate office, right? Like with a style like this, I feel like it looks really classy. It looks really nice. I love the color. I don't actually mind that it's only 10 inches or 150% density. I think it fit my face pretty well. And y'all remember, I used to not like short bob wigs at all, but I think the way that this one is styled definitely stands out and it definitely helps. Make sure you guys check out the description box for the direct link. Thank you for tuning in. I will see you guys next time.